If you're encountering the Valorant Matchmaking error 2025, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue and get back to playing. Step 1. Restart your game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix temporary glitches that cause matchmaking errors. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official Valorant server status page to ensure that there are no ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Update your game. Make sure that your Valorant client is up to date. Launch the right client and check for any available updates. Installing the latest version can resolve compatibility issues. Step 4. Repair game files. Open the right client, go to the Valorant section, and select the option to repair game files. This process will fix any corrupted files that may be causing the error. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Valorant. This will ensure that you have a fresh installation and can eliminate any lingering issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and enjoy your game without interruptions.